Hi everyone. In this particular section, I'm going to highlight about how to get to the application performance issues. There are multiple reasons due to which our application is behaving not up to the mark. So I'll just try to highlight what are the root cause, how to get the root cause of application performance. So before going ahead, we need to understand what are types of software application. Uh, on a higher level, we can have two types of application. First, if internet facing application, they are mainly used internal to the organization, and in this kind of application, we are having limited number of users. We can control how many users will going to access this kind of system. Uh, and the second type of system or the application is the internet facing. Uh, the more example of this particular kind of application is that our net banking application or social media application. So this is something like anyone can register, anyone can come and he can register for system, and we don't have much control on the uh, how the user is going to come, either in some kind of spike in our system due to huge amount of load in the system. So that can we cannot control in this kind of application. So internet facing applications are difficult to manage in terms of application performance, or I can say for all the non-functional requirements. So you want to understand if you got some kind of message from your organization that there is some kind of problem occurred to the performance issue. So how are we going to react to this kind of thing? First, we need to understand whether the slowness is reported by some specific geography, like our application might be used on the multiple geography, uh, somewhere like New York, Washington DC, India. So if this particular application is having slowness in some specific area, we need to understand. So if that is the reason, that is something like if this particular problem is faced by only some specific geography, it's mainly due to some kind of network issue. We need to understand. If it's not from the some specific geography, then what we need to do is something like from all locations. What we can understand is that it's something like happening regularly happening on some specific time of the day or some specific time of the month. I'll give you some kind of example. Uh, Many applications they are mainly used somewhere at the end of the month or somewhere at the beginning of the month. The more typical case is something like you're having low rotation system in your application, low rotation system, which is mainly used somewhere at the end of the month in order to achieve the targets of the month. So we can say that this application is behaving very slowly in somewhere in the end of the month. So it's due to some kind of increase in the load of the system that we can understand, or we are facing this problem only for some specific functionality. So this is something like mainly happen when we are just trying to pull some kind of reports or some kind of very huge amount of data from some specific UI. So these kind of problems are occurred. So these are something like typical cases. We can check it out if there is some kind of problem with occurred in the performance. How can we come to know what will be the root cause of this problem? So if you really like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you like, you can just press the like button of this video. try to bring some more videos into next section.